भाजपाचो उत्तर गोयचो लोकसभा उमेदवार 1 लाखा परस चड मतांनी वेचून येतलो असो विश्वास मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी उक्तायला। दक्षिण गोयच्या उमेदवाराकूय मोठ्या मतांच्या फरकान वेचून हाडपाचो दावोय ताणें केला। तशेंच प्रधानमंत्री म्हणून नरेंद्र मोदीच वेचून येतले अशेंय विश्वजीत सांगतात।
I can only tell you, Narendra Modi ji will be the next Prime Minister of the country, and Narendra Modi ji and the type of work Honorable Prime Minister and the leader, our leader, a leader who we consider a leader not only a leader at a stature of India but a global leadership that we are fortunate to have. Narendra Modi ji and his leadership and the Bharatiya Janata Party will form a government with a massive mandate. People of country, we have seen the results in Madhya Pradesh, we have seen the results in Rajasthan, we have seen the results in Chhattisgarh. Everywhere people have voted because they want to see Honorable Prime Minister back as Prime Minister of the country in 2024. This is going to be one of the largest victories under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. I am nobody or a specialist. I am a very small person in the party. I can only tell you one thing is that both the seats in Goa are going to be won by the Bharatiya Janata Party, irrespective of everybody has a right to contest. The work that is being done by the central government benefit you land from the plane into the, then you will see the road network that is created. But it's all because of Bharatiya Janata Party, the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister. All these benefits, super specialty hospital, cancer hospital, healthcare, money that is coming to the state, all is because of the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Both the seats, North Goa will win minimum with a margin of more than a lakh of votes. South Goa also will win for the first time with a record margin. You look at the dynamics and arithmetic. If the arithmetic is properly, we are in the process of taking on in a different way, and I'm confident that the people of Goa will vote for the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in North Goa and in South Goa. Number of people can stand. It doesn't matter.